आवाज आवाज के साथ हमारे लोगों से बात करें तो ये रहा माइक आपके लिए।
थँक यू सी। आपणा सर्वांवरती देव असतो। भगवद्गीतेमध्ये श्रीकृष्णाने जसं सांगितलंय, कर्मण्येव अधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन। कर्म करत राहा, फळाची अपेक्षा करू नका। या प्रकल्पामध्ये आम्ही नक्की तेच करणार आहोत। आम्ही मेहनत करणार आहोत आणि बाकी सर्व परमपूज्य श्री गगनगिरी महाराजांच्या चरणावर ठेवणार आहोत। आम्हाला खात्री आहे की त्यांचे आशीर्वाद आम्हाला सतत स्फूर्ती देत राहतील आणि जिथेही आम्ही जाऊ तिथे विजय मिळवून देतील। Now I'll switch to English. I'll say what I said in Marathi. In Bhagavad Gita, there's a saying that karmanyeva adhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachanam. Keep doing your deeds. Don't expect fruits. They will come automatically. So in this project, we are going to do the same. We are going to work hard, put all our efforts into this project, and rest everything we are going to surrender to Param Pujya Shri Gagangiri Maharaj. We are sure that his blessings will protect us always and take us to new heights all the time. I would like to thank him for coming all the way from Khopoli to bless this event. Second very wonderful person here I would like to welcome and thank Shri Dr. Jagannath Ji Hegde. From his busy schedule, he has taken out time for this event and attended this event. We are very thankful to him too. Thanks to all the other respected guests, friends who have come here to make this event very wonderful. And we also like to thank those people who sent their wishes and could not be here because they are far away. They have sent their blessings anyways. Let's move to the information about the project. We see there are a lot of opportunities in this world. Let's talk about opportunity about this project. This project is a big opportunity for many. Mainly because the market trend is changing. We feel that this is the right time to introduce a product like this in Indian market. Because as we have seen in this audio-visual presentation, India is emerging as a very big market for branded products. People are looking for quality products in the market. I myself don't mind spending out little extra from my pocket when I see something good. And I'm sure many people have a likewise thinking. Second thing is Diwali is very auspicious occasion in India. That's why also this is very right moment to introduce this particular product. Because our products are going to be the status symbol of the giver, and it's going to make all the takers happy too. Yeah. Thank you, Rajni bhai. Okay. Now, what we have done is, in this particular occasion, we have introduced lot of different range of Diwali gift packs which can be given to the loved ones or the corporates. The product will be in the market much before Diwali. It will be on the shelf. But till then, our sales representatives will also be providing a door-to-door service. And for those who are international clients and who are the internet surfers, we also have a buying portal on our website, which is www.nutsandagro.com. So do visit this site. It will give you more information than what I have given here or what AV has given here, and also allow you to have a glances to our through our products. I missed one name when I started my speech. Shri Shivaji Rao Deshmukh, Sabhapati of Vidhan Parishad in Maharashtra Rajya. We would like to welcome him also for this event. I'm sure the event, when we talk about event, everybody is interested in something happening. So I would like to stop my speech here. Any information you want about the company, about the product, we are always here. You can always come to us and ask us, or we will be moving around. I would like to express my thanks to Mr. Rajmohan Pillai, a chairman of Beta Group, for his support and cooperation to launch this brand in Western India, that is Maharashtra, Goa, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. I thank him for that. That's it. I won't take much time. I'll leave you now to enjoy the rest of the event. Thank you all once again, and may God bless us all. Thanks.
That's what I call a very dynamic managing director. मैं चाहूंगा कि आप जोरदार तालियां हमारे managing director साहब के लिए दें. Now it is my complete honor and privilege to call upon our chief guest for the evening, Honorable Sheriff of Mumbai, Dr. Jagannath Rao Hegde, to please come on board and say a few words, sir.
Our Param Pujya Gagangiri Maharaj Ji, Honorable Sabhapati Shri Shivaji Rao Deshmukh Ji, the Chairman of Agro and Nuts Limited, Private Limited, Shri Abasaheb Patnaikar Ji, Mr. Nair, Shri Shrikant Parab Ji, Shri Mr. Karwade Ji, or a very close friend of mine, due to whom I came all the way, and all my dear friends. I am so happy to be here. When I have heard that for the first time this particular brand product is being introduced in Mumbai, I was very much thrilled, because whatever they say, that's really truth. India is changing totally now. We have seen even in the water also, people were never bothered about the brand name in the water as far as the water concerned, but now we see that even for the water, we take the branded name product. We are very particular, we are very choosy, and like that, I think Abasaheb Patnaikar, Mr. Shrikant Ji and all, they have chosen the right time, they have chosen the right place, and they have chosen the right product, because this is going to be a huge market as far as these nuts are concerned. And as they already said, Nut King, the product, the brand name, I think it's going to be the popular name as far as cashew nuts are concerned. I am sure with the blessings of Param Pujya Gagangiri Maharaj, this company is going to be on a very, very big way. It's going to conquer the market. I have no doubts about it. And behind this company, there is a big experienced people, a vast experienced people, plus I think Mr. Pillai, whom just now I was going to introduce, the Beta Group of companies who are having already more than about 2,000 crore worth of business they are already having. They have got the big name also. And with this